Planning to do a first startup tonight here.
How many days have you been here? A full pro car built in 10 days.
It's like a show car.
To do this from scratch, been really rough.
The craziest World Cup prep that we've ever have done. To build a car like this,
I don't even know how we did it.
just know we made good power. Man, what an insane 2 weeks. What's today, bro?
Oh, you know.
Today is
Monday? Oh, today's Monday?
Monday, October 28th.
Feels like Saturday.
How's your World Cup going? World Cup prep, at least.
Absolute work so far.
This has been an absolute nightmare of all nightmares, not even gonna lie to you. Just so much stuff has been happening. We're trying to get J-Rock's car ready. Got the car fired up today for the first time.
Yeah.
Brand new engine. How do you guys feel about the wrap? I think the wrap looks sick. I honestly love the wrap. It's probably one of my favorites now out of all the cars that are out. But Jordan got his car running today for the first time. We're gonna dyno it tomorrow.
Ahmed's car still needs a couple things, and then tomorrow, corner balance on the line for Ahmed, and then tune all 3 cars.
We're gonna tune Jordan's car, my car, and Ahmed's car, hopefully all tomorrow. They're in the middle of wiring. We're gonna get you guys a first startup video tonight. For my brother's car, Jordan's car runs. We're gonna do another heat cycle on it tonight. And then my car's good to go. We're gonna hit the dyno in the morning. Well, it's just been absolutely insane, literally down to the wire. We're supposed to be out of here tomorrow, and I don't even know if that's gonna happen.
It needs to happen.
It's gotta happen.
If we have to bring the dyno with us, it's gotta happen.
Drop in the comments what you guys think about J-Rock's wrap. Make sure to stop by. I'm gonna try to upload this video before the weekend. Stop by, check it out, take some pictures. This thing is dope. What are you hoping for this weekend?
I hope some Hondas take it. Maybe not even, me, at least somebody from here can
That's my goal too. At least a Honda takes home the win.
Yeah. At least somebody, either Jamie, Ahmed, you, me, whoever. It doesn't matter. If anybody from the crew takes it home, that's a win for everybody.
And then, what's your PB again in this car?
So last year at World Cup, I went 934.
934, yeah. 1 mile an hour?
The board was messed up.
Oh, yeah. All right, so you don't know.
I got gypped. But this car was like 144, 145, I think was like my fastest ever in it.
So if you guys don't know, they added vacuum pumps this year. So roughly, give or take, might add 8 to 10 horsepower, I'd like to say. So with 8 to 10 horsepower, I'm not gonna say it's gonna, but it might put us in the 20s.
Yeah, you know why my shit's gonna be faster than yours?
Why?
Because this is a Jamie built motor.
Do me a favor, you guys, show my guys some love in the comments. We literally been here since I uploaded the last video. 2:30 in the morning every night here trying to get the cars ready. Shout out to my guys Savi Wiring, David. They literally been here with us wiring a car for 3 days, getting everyone's vacuum pumps ready. So we're gonna do a heat cycle real quick on Jordan's car.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. The car is about to fire up really soon. I want to give a huge shout out to my boys Savi and David. They came all the way down from Massachusetts to wire the car for me. They do all our wiring for all our cars. They are probably the best in the business.
They are the best.
Especially the best in our area. So
if you guys need any motorsport wiring down to K-Pros, anything you might think of, they do it. All race grade, all great equipment.
Always fire up one shot. We never have to call them back up like, oh, this is not working, it's not working. No issues at all. But I want you guys to come check this out. So I got a nice mil spec quick disconnect.
He also, the bottom hole is going to be for the coils. The coil harness is also a mil spec.
So the reason why these two can't run together in line is because the frequency from this, they can't be together. So they have to be separated. That's the only reason why they're on the second mil spec. Check this out though. So this is the wire harness. I'm gonna tuck it up under there. He made it for me so I can go under the scatter shield. And then it tees off under here. It comes down behind the bracket. It goes to the fuel pressure sensor and the radiator together.
It's clean.
And then it tees off also to the left, and it goes to the fuel pump, water pump, and vacuum pump all together, which is insane.
The best thing is the interior harness.
And you can't even see it. And check my boy out. You didn't even see him.
Yo, you got my boy take his shoes off?
He got his shoes off. I got him a blanket.
Yo, David, we know we love you, bro.
We getting that A1 service over here. Yo, but check this dash harness out.
Yo, but hold up. Shout out to David for dealing with you. How many times did he have you tuck the wires up after we already ran them two times?
2 or 3 times.
Show them where you ran it. David, that wire right there. He ran that through the hole. I'm gonna show you where that comes out right now on the other end.
So I got the wire coming out through the frame rail on the inside. I still have to put a nice grommet in there. That's just temporary for now. I have to put this back up. But it comes down through the frame rail here, and I have it coming down underneath the battery. And this is gonna come up on the battery like this. I'm gonna zip tie this to the battery right here. Boom.
And that way there's no wires running underneath the fender or in the engine bay.
So yes, there's other ways I could have done it. They have quick disconnects I could put on the frame rail, but this car is super clean. I didn't want to drill into the frame rail. I just got them capped off and the car is painted, so I didn't want to do that. How many days have you been here?
3. We've been here for 3 entire days. This shop looks blown out, but I promise you, he got the engine harness done yesterday. He just came back today to do the coil harness and then do a first startup.
I just want to say, I really appreciate you guys. I really do.
So if you guys need any wiring done, make sure to shoot him a DM on Instagram. Like I said, he goes all the way down from K-Pros to whatever you want in your car.
Wait, you didn't show them the best part though. You can't even tell that the harness is in there. It's wrapped up to the cage right now. I still gotta like clean it up after they're done, but it tees off right here, comes back into the back of the firewall, and that's it. These are the connectors for the fuel tech, connectors for the fuse box, and that's pretty much it, right? So I got the chassis harness done too for the taillights. Check this out. I'm waiting for a few clips that are coming online. I'm gonna put it to the back of this, hide it behind here so you can't really see it. Comes up here, there's the ground over here for the taillights. For the cutoff switch, right, we went behind the taillight. I put a little groove in the taillight so it comes, drops down under the bumper and then goes back into the car.
That's clean as it gets.
Yes.
Shout out to J-Rock.
Shout out to J-Rock, man. I love you.
Every day, even worked the entire weekend to get the cars ready. Shout out to Savi, shout out to David, shout out to everybody here.
Yeah, I've been telling these guys, yo, man, it's not a big deal. I could leave the car. It's not a big issue to me. But they're like, no, man, left behind. We're not going to leave you. So we're going to get the cars done and we're going to all head out together. Shout out to my guys, man.
Planning to do a first startup tonight here, no matter what time it is. Jamie should be here off the dyno pretty soon. I just want to give another huge shout out to Savi and David, literally the best wiring guys that I know here in the local area. They're out of Massachusetts. If you guys have a car that needs wiring, it's like, that's the most important thing that we see. It's like, we get cars here that are pretty much butchered. These guys are the best in the industry. You could even ship them their car. They have a shop. So I'll drop the Instagram tag below. Make sure to hit them up. I swear they do from mile to mile. So don't be scared to hit them up. They do literally K-Pro stuff. They do S300. They do fuel tech. They do AM, Motec, whatever you got, they can do it, from sub harnesses to whatever it is. So make sure to hit them up. I'll drop the Instagram tag below. Yo, Savi. It is 2:41 a.m.
What's the fuel pressure at?
My bad, we worked overnight.
At least we did one overnight.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good.
Buddy.
Let's go. insane 2 weeks. I am literally, this is the most tired I've ever been. This is probably the craziest World Cup prep that we've ever have done. Like, this tops off anything that we ever been through. 3:30 in the morning, just got the car running. We're supposed to be at the track tomorrow. We're gonna dyno Jordan's car tomorrow morning. I don't know if I'm gonna be here because they're supposed to dyno at 6 a.m. It's 3:30 now. I just need to get some sleep because I'm gonna have to hit the road tomorrow. So my plan is I'm gonna come in here as early as I can. If I could get Jordan's dyno footage, I'll put it in here. I'm gonna tune, my brother's gonna tune, and we should be good to go. To build a car like this in 2 weeks is just, I told you guys, it's just unheard of. The amount of labor hours that just went into this is insane. I just need to give a huge shout out to all the guys involved. Also, a huge shout out to Savi and David for, you guys seen it, just left from here at 3 o'clock in the morning and they got a 2-hour ride back home. If you need any wiring done, make sure to hit them up. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the dyno. What up guys, it's officially dyno time. My car is up on a dyno. Jordan's car is already dynoed this morning. He did great, so his car's ready to go. Jamie's car is here, my brother's car is on the alignment rack, and then Frank's car is finished in the trailer. So we have 5 all motor cars. It's gonna be crazy. We don't have that much time, so we are gonna try to get this done before 10 p.m. Today's Tuesday. We're supposed to be at the track already. You guys know I am not showing horsepower numbers due to us racing M1, just like a competition type of thing, but just know we made good power. Jamie, what you think about the new build?
That's the cleanest race car.
It's like a show car. And they build it in what, 2 weeks?
Great. The video and picture they got to do with those.
No, they gotta see his car in person. It looks like he got no windows. You excited?
I haven't been having the greatest luck these past couple days. It's just been really, really rough. It's literally down to the wire.
10
Tuesday, 10 o'clock. We didn't even leave yet. The car's all buttoned up now. I feel like it should be good. Kind of got all the bad juju out of the way. Hopefully make some good power. If not, I built a nice show car.
in 2 weeks, man. Honestly, it's just...
It's been really, really rough. To do this from scratch, I tell my brothers off cam all the time and the guys, I don't even know how we did it. I don't know how. Like,
a lot of 3, 4 a.m. nights here.
Yes. Yesterday, came to fire the car up. Brand new fuel pump was seized.
Let me show them where we stole it from. Stole it from
your car.
From my turbo car. Brand new fuel pump took a dump.
It is what it is. You think you have new parts and everything's gonna work, but sometimes things don't work out how you planned.
We made it. We made it to the dyno. So let's see what it does.
Hopefully make it also dyno. Which is that's not a big deal. The car is running, I know everything's good, everything works, it should be good. Did you see what I did on the inside?
I didn't check it out yet. It just looks like it's too clean, and I'm honestly scared to even jump in.
Carbon block off. Carbon block off.
Oh, you blocked off all the chassis holes with carbon fiber?
Carbon block off, carbon block off, carbon block off.
This thing is just too clean. Honestly, like you said, I would definitely PPF the floor in here.
I'm gonna. Did you get Jamie his slippers? Yo, why the f you got your shoes on in my car, bro?
That's disrespectful.
You didn't give me my fucking moccasins on.
Guys, sorry to like dyno video and then this, so I'm gonna just, you guys need to watch this so you guys can know what happened and what went down. So as you see, my brother's car is not here. The reason being is, I'll let J-Rock kind of explain what happened. Not good, it's not what you want to hear, but I'll let him go over it real quick.
So basically last night, you tuned, Frank tuned, and then we put a Mets car, Jamie tuned, and then we put a Mets car in the dyno. And just, the car sounded a little funny at idle, and then Jamie realized that cylinder 3 was running a little bit colder because the EGTs read the exhaust temp. So a bunch of diag. We pulled injectors, all the injectors are good. We swapped plugs around, plug wires, coils, like literally spent hours on it. And then came up to the conclusion that it's something inside the motor, whether the head is cracked or maybe the valve's not seating right. So Ahmed was like, you know what, you guys just take off, go without me, and he was gonna stay back.
Something internal in the motor is wrong and it needs to be fixed, and it couldn't get fixed quick. We tried to do injector swap, coil swap, valve lash, compression test, you name it, we've did it. So we tried to do as much as we could last night till 1 o'clock in the morning. Down, like, Jordan didn't sleep, I didn't sleep. We literally left at 1 a.m. trying to get it done, and then we got here at 7 a.m.
Yeah, so literally zero sleep. It was kind of upsetting, like, just, you know, the goal was everybody, you know, gonna get the cars done, everybody's gonna race M1 here at World Cup, and then when Ahmed just said, you know what, he's gonna sit back, it was kind of upsetting.
He was so upset yesterday that just like done. He was like, you know what, guys, just I'm done. I'm over it. It's just not meant for me to, like, it's not meant for him to happen. We were gonna like take the motor out last night and just break night there, all leave together, but that's not what he wanted.
You gotta think too, like, that car was built in what, how many days? 10 days.
Yeah.
A full pro car built in 10 days. Like, that's already stressful as it is, and then just have that happen with the motor, I understand where he's coming from.
We're all here ready for tech, me, Jordan, Frank. We're waiting on now Jamie and my brother to get here, which they're not missing anything. Wednesday's only testing. We only get here so we can get a good pit spot. My brother ran into some issues on the dyno. I kind of don't want to get into like what exactly happened until we figure it out, because I'm not trying to blame anyone for anything. I don't know, we don't know what happened. So my brother got fed up with it and literally left the car, and we left on the road last night. We're all just so tired. I didn't even get no sleep last night. Don't even know what the issue is. I can't even tell you what the issue is right now. Very unfortunate. The car runs, but it's having issues, and can't tell you what the issue is right now. It's down on power, but it's super unfortunate because we put all that work into that car and it's just been giving us problem after problem after problem. We got everything done at the track, like we're all pitted, I'm teched in. This is to be continued, I guess. I'm not doing this just for the video, this is real. I'm gonna try to upload this video for you guys today, and then I guess to be continued. I don't know if my brother's car is gonna make it or not. I'm hoping he makes it. Wish him luck in the comments, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Next video will be after World Cup Finals, so I'm not gonna be able to edit it. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm hoping he makes it.